Football lovers, sanibonani. Welcome to BKS Sports egama lami Mbongi Nkosi. Thembe ukuthi ni kahle, niyaphila. Danko. Ya kulahla mbeleko ngakufelo because mawuzolahla ithemba uthi lizoqoshwa ubani because at the end of the day everything that is happening, it's an eye opener for a management achieves. Because the reality that you see right now is the choices that you made few months ago, few years ago. Even the choices, the decisions that you're gonna make now will have an impact in the coming years and months. So it simply means Guti, Kaizer Chiefs must be ambitious when it comes to making sure that their club doesn't become non-existent. Ukudliwa Orlando Pirates yes kubuhlungu, but prior to that game versus the Orlando Pirates, the Stellenbosch game, there was a question that was asked to Khalil Ben Yusuf. They asked Uti, is it easy to be a coach? He did say Uti, being a coach is not easy. Just imagine being a Kaizer Chiefs coach, to be specific. That simply means one thing. They understand that there are pressures that comes with coaching Kaizer Chiefs. And for the fact that the coaches abazibhekanga labazibheke khona, it simply means that management must take all the criticism because they are the ones responsible for them ukuthi bacoach Kaizer Chiefs, even though they know ukuthi they lack experience, but their decision was final. Kusitshelani lokho? They want to use these co-coaches as scapegoats because they know very well ukuthi ama-fans when they are frustrated, they know ukuthi it's difficult ukuthi bayise ku management, but the closest people they can channel that frustration and anger to is the co-coaches. So engakusho nje ukuthi if the club is not ambitious, even in the next 10 to 20, even to 30 years, we're still gonna suffer because of the same thing that is being done by our management. We love the club so much so that we put everything on the line. We defend it with everything we've got, because when we started to love this club, it was because it was doing good. Everything was smooth during those days. Even the decisions were the decisions that were making it to become a better club. The results were coming our way. But now things are bit by bit falling apart. We have to accept one thing as our fans, and this all inclusion. These co-coaches won't be fired anytime soon, whether we like it or not. Because they are interim coaches. Just imagine another interim coach replacing another interim coach. What does that mean? Kaizer Chiefs can decide to offload, and then they decide to rope in coach Vela Khumalo and Dylan Shepard to the senior team. Sekusela ama games ambalwa vele ukuthi league izophela. Because now I believe ukuthi laba khona they are planning ukuthi what's the next step. Mayiphela nje season, what kind of a coach can we hire for Kaizer Chiefs? Will that coach be successful? Can we control that coach? Those are the questions that they're asking themselves, and they will find answers to that. But us as our fans, we are always left in the dark because they know whatever what happens, no matter what, we won't leave the club because we love it. As reported by Soccer Beat, Urano Mkwena, as before it was reported that there were interest from Kaizer Chiefs, of which I'm not sure about, because the kind of a coach that Coach Rulana is, and compared to the coaching gig at Chiefs, those two don't align. It is said that Al Ittihad also want to sign Coach Rulana Mokoena, and the Al Ittihad is a Libyan club. La Thembeko Seloje and Aziz Stefanki were signed by. So it simply means good team. As a coach, you have to decide now. Let me say, ngikubeka ecathulweni zaka Coach Rulana Mokoena. Nayi Chiefs ngapha, nayi Al Ittihad ngapha. Ngokwakho angayaphi? Kaizer Chiefs is a big club, but they don't make a coach to work in an environment whereby he works smoothly, by giving him the tools that he needs so that he can sharpen the team into one thing, that it is a team that is not easily defeated. Talking about the quality players being signed, talking about the support from the management. Now Rulana ungakhethani? Obvious, Al Ittihad for now it seems like is one of the clubs that are ambitious because of the signings that they make. They are putting their money where their mouth is. And just imagine Uloch and Rulana, they reunite again. When Kantu Rulana angayivala leyo offer because there's Kaizer Chiefs. Now every coach, every player, when they go to a club, they look at the vision, the long-term goal. Al Ittihad is in a phase whereby they want to establish themselves as one of the powerhouse of Africa. In terms of, we see the players that they recruit, they want everything that is best for them. It's like now Libya, they are trying to change their league to be like the way Saudi Arabia changed their league, by bringing all the best players so that they can try they attract a viewership. And for a coach like Rulana, that is a space whereby he'd want to see himself at I was there in the start and the beginning of everything. For Kaizer Chiefs, you know ama chances lapha mancane, because number one, they won't give him full control of the club. Number two, they won't sign the players that he wants so that he can be competitive as a coach. One thing we have to accept as Amakhosi fans is that there's no coach starting from Itenaga Nabi that will be given a chance to rope his technical team along with him and last more than 1 year at that club. Because why? They might change coaches, even they can even bring you a quality coach that you might desire, but angeke ahlale isikhathi eside, because they don't make it easier for a coach to stay longer at that club. It's like yinto vele bekiwe ukuthi no, akwazi, because of the way they are doing things. So the best thing for the fans for now to do is to make sure that they leave room for disappointment, even when the season is still far from over. But disappointment will be there. So let's not expect anything, but move with the flow. I don't know what you think about everything that is happening currently, but our team is one team that I'd say it doesn't disappoint when it comes to disappointing. But okuhle ukuthi kumnyama kubovu, our blood is gold and black. And now sekuvele kwavumbuka another thing. You know, when they say ukuthi when it rains it pours, especially when things are not going according to plan, To you, it feels like everything that you do, you're being attacked. Now, there was a fan saying, if it wasn't for injuries, we have a baller here, mentioning Eden Chislett. But Mike Makabe, as the agent of Eden Chislett, was like, which injuries? So kusinike sinye isithombe ke manje lokuthi kushukuthi all along we were being lied to. There were no injuries. It wasn't about anything about the fitness. But he wasn't prepared to start. But they waited up until they see ukuthi uMdoda is not doing great. Umfundo Vilakazi is not in form. Gaston Sereno, same thing. So he was the last resort now to that number 10 role. What is happening kahle natural? Why there's no full transparency to the fans? At least is understand ukwazi ukuthi no, yazini, it's not everything that you see that you think it is. Because manje you don't know whether to trust this or not. But it's all about you always left wondering what will happen next. So one thing I'd say let's forget about the coaches to be fired, because from the first moment that they've decided they were gonna make them the coaches, it really made it clear their plan revolves around having someone that is not difficult to control, because they knew this role for them is like they are trying to upgrade their CV. So everything that they say to them bazovu. But coaches that are well renowned angeke bavuma ukuba in the sport whereby yonke into eshiwoyo iyayenza. I don't know ukuthi nina nikubona kanjani, but right now everything at Naturena doesn't make sense. From the co-coaches to the players that we have to the management, everything doesn't make sense. We still have a game that we have to play on Wednesday against Richards Bay. What another surprise will they be pulling? Wednesday, because we know they never cease to amaze us as our fans. Hope nizise kahle, and thank you for making it this far on the video. Ungakhohlwa ke ukulike and subscribe to the channel so that it can grow.